Somewhere in this house there is a Santa hat. It should be on my head, but sadly it is languishing somewhere in a box, probably covered in dust. However, I would like to draw your attention to the Christmas tree behind me and the beautiful Christmas mouse. Yeah, it's Flamingo Friday, it's the last one before Christmas, and I just wanted to end the year with a top tip for you to help you stand out from the crowd, or stand out in people's inboxes, and make sure you start the new year with a bang. Because most businesses do the following. It's very nice, but it's not going to get you noticed. They send an email stuffed with HTML images that you probably won't see unless you've got images automatically loaded, and they say Merry Christmas from the team, and that's it. And it's a massive missed opportunity. So I want to give you something that you can do to help you fill your order book before the end of January and really, kickstart your new year. So you can write an email, and you can do this today, and you should do it today and tomorrow and on Christmas Eve, and say Merry Christmas, tell them that you want them to have a lovely Christmas and all the rest of it, and then explain that you're going to be putting your prices up from, say, January the 15th. And if you book now and pay a deposit, you can lock in this year's prices. So if you book now for work anytime up in the next 6 months, but you need the deposit today and you need the work booked in, your customers will be able to get your services or products at 2018 prices. If they leave it until after January the 15th, they're going to have to pay 2019's prices. Do it today, do it tomorrow, do it several times, repeat the offer several times right up to the deadline, and see how many takers you get. People tend to leave things till the last minute, so don't just send one tomorrow and then forget about it. Send as many emails as you can stomach to them, and just explain that you're putting your prices up in January, say January the 15th. You can pick whatever date you like. It's perfectly normal to do that. It's perfectly fine. If you're not putting your prices up at least once a year, you're giving yourself a de facto pay cut because of inflation. So you're going to be putting your prices up. Nobody will mind. Nobody will notice. They're going up on the 15th of January. If you book and pay a deposit before the 15th of January, then your customers can lock their work in at this year's prices. If they book anything after that deadline, it's going to be 2019's prices, and they're going to pay more. I bet you'll get a bunch of takers, and wouldn't it be great to start January with full order book for the next month or so? That would be really cool. So, Merry Christmas from the Dingle. Have a fantastic time this week, and I hope it's not too frantic, and I will be back same time next week, ready for the new year. Bye!